Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effects, lots of effects on your Instagram reels. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So here basically if we go to Instagram, and let me just show you something here. Let me just go to my profile, click on this plus icon and go to reels. So if I go here and if I click to this effect option, if I click to this filter effect option, you'll find only this type of effects. Let me just go here, and also if you're not getting more effects, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you in this video what you have to do here. It's very pretty simple. I'm going to show you in this video. So what you need to do here, you just need to click on this option here. You can see, simply tap here, and then here you have to click on this browser effect, and then after clicking here you just need to search for the effect. So let me just go here and click on, let me just search for red light effect, red light. So simply click on search option. Here you will find lots of red light effects. So let me just go for this, and you have to click on try it option here. So I'm done with this. You can see here it's looking red color. So just you cut this and go back, just go back, and then again go to reels. Once again go to this effect and go to the last option, this side. You can see here you can get this filter in this way. So it's very pretty simple. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.